Hey, Chamo, I need
to. That's what you never hear.
Chamo, waiting.
See, the price of Ethereum as of October 2015 was 48 cents.
True.
Now, for Naira now, that 48 cents, like now, big something like for Naira now, 370 Naira times 48 cents. 100.
I'm still not plenty.
Not plenty now. 178 Naira. That is buy one Ethereum. Imagine say that time, you buy Ethereum, 100 Ethereum. You know, 2 costs now. If you buy 100 Ethereum, that time, how much it will be? 17,716 Naira. But right now, that Ethereum now, it don't go as high as the price now, $700.
Bro, bust my head.
Yeah, calm down
there. From 48.
For January itself, this year, 2018, the price of Ethereum was $1,300. Though, both you leave the January, they went down pass. But we're talking about this one now, this month. Now the price now, $700 times 100.
That 100 we have been buying.
That's 17,716 Naira when you get now, but that's 700, but you don't like 12 meters, so 12 million. Joe! See,
package.
But you say you go package. But that one pass package now. Now you deposit package.
I'm supposed to tell that my nigga.
I'm supposed to tell my nigga. Now you know, you tell person. But I don't tell you.
Check this.
Sign up, join my Telegram group today. It is free. I'm going to teach you how to trade cryptocurrency. How I made $27,000 in 50 days trading cryptocurrency. That's 9 million Naira trading cryptocurrency. I'm going to teach you for free. This is information that you pay 100,000 Naira for, $300 to learn. But join my Telegram group today. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you like this video, leave your comment on the comment box. Subscribe, hit the like button and share with your friend. Make drop a comment on our Facebook, on our Twitter, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you.